for seeing the beautiful and attractive view of grazing of sheep and goats. Sheep and goats likely the different types of trees leaves. Please first of all like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Then I will start the new vlog. In this vlog you can see the most beautiful and attractive view of sheep and goats. They are grazing the leaves of trees. They like the leaves of trees very much. My village is full of different types of trees. Goats and sheep are pet animals. We like them very much. They give us many benefits like as meat and also milk. We love them very much. They are very beautiful and attractive.